Since 1921, bibby-ste-croix Foundry has achieved an expertise that is recognized throughout North America. It is a company known for listening to its customers, for following the needs of the market, and for coming up with innovative products, many of which have set new standards in the industry. L'Apparel Foundry, which becomes a division of bibby-ste-croix in 1985, introduces a new product on the market in 1981, a product that revolutionizes street castings. It is called the auto-stable or self-level. The self-level was developed by a British company, Self-Lock. It's a product that instantly won over the L'Apparel Foundry directors. It applies the perfect principle for dealing with the well-known problems of conventional castings. Here it is, an urban nightmare for motorists and municipal administrators that can entail exorbitant costs. With a conventional installation, the standard frame sits directly on the manhole's concrete structure. The weight of heavy vehicles creates intense pressure on the frame itself, which in turn transfers the pressure to the entire adjacent structure. With time, the strain seriously damages the structure and the assembly joints until finally it can begin to sink. But with L'Apparel Foundry's auto-stable, the weight of traffic is distributed horizontally at the road surface and is not transmitted to the structure beneath. Until just recently, the only way to install the auto-stable was to insert it inside a concrete headring. Thanks to this unique design, the auto-stable becomes an integral part of the road, responding with the changes in level caused by traffic and the freezing and thawing of the ground. Some cities throughout Canada have been using this system for more than 10 years. But the fitting of the auto-stable can create an insupportable pressure around it that can lead to backfill infiltration and ground erosion surrounding the frame. The L'Apparel Foundry's engineers, technicians, and representatives attacked the problem, and since 1981, with the help of others in the industry, they've come up with significant improvements to the auto-stable. They began with creating a gray cast iron outer guide frame, a component that greatly increases the auto-stable's effectiveness. This is placed on the standard concrete head, and the frame is inserted inside the guide frame. That's why the auto-stable can slide precisely without shifting laterally. As well, the outer guide frame allows a greater vertical adjustment and also limits infiltration around the auto-stable frame. Just recently, L'Apparel engineers made another improvement, a totally innovative cone-shaped guide frame, which gives the whole manhole structure even more stability and flexibility. This innovation will greatly simplify the installation of a manhole on a hill. The outer guide frame is installed in exactly the same way as a conventional frame. Then the auto-stable frame is inserted inside the outer guide frame. The cover is then placed on its base. The outer guide frame must be filled and well compacted with gravel to about 1 inch from the rim, or according to specifications. Once the compacting is finished, all that's left is to tilt the auto-stable frame with asphalt so that it meets the slope of the street. To finish, the auto-stable frame is pressed into the asphalt. That's how the frame becomes an integral part of the road surface, moving with it. During resurfacing, the frame must be removed from the asphalt surface. It's important to be sure that there's no asphalt residue stuck under the edge or around the sliding section. Finally, asphalt must be put under the frame and then passed over with a steamroller. Over the years, with all these improvements, the auto-stable has become an extremely worthwhile product for cities trying to reduce repair costs. The cost savings achieved on installation as well as maintenance are immediately obvious. Here are the particular technical principles that make the auto-stable a product that is used and appreciated more and more in the industry. Lightness, silence, stability, flexibility, ease of installation thanks to manhole level lifting keys, little damage to the concrete structure, ease of height adjustment, allows more adjustment with asphalt, minimizes erosion, has an edge that prevents plow damage, now simpler to adjust on a hill. The auto-stable is available in several diameters for both manholes and some types of catch basins. Since 1921, bibby-ste-croix has never lost sight of its objective: to be at the forefront of its industry, producing excellent and diverse products that are exported all over North America. And it is in this spirit that La Perle Foundry Division forges ahead.